From the home page, navigate to the Jobs page by either clicking the Jobs icon in the navigation menu or the Quick Access tile. On the Jobs page, select the job for which a report is to be created and click on the Create Report button. In the dialog, you can review the name of the report, the test type, the report type and format. Depending on the tests defined in the job, different test types may be available to choose from. The report type dictates the level of details in the report. The export format can be either PDF or Excel. Click on the Create button to generate your report. When the generation is completed, you can download the report file on your computer. You can open the report to review its content, print it, and share it with others.